obviously right now very fluffy off the road, but when you look at the road, it is packed in at this point. We have had some cars drive throughout the morning. Even when they plow through, the drivers come in, it gets packed down. So it can make it very slippery. We've seen a lot of cars fishtailing. We were able to talk to the fire department earlier. They let me know, even if you think an emergency is not severe, but you need help or you're stuck, give them a call. They will either help or they will find someone that can. In Public Works here, they have the chains on their tires ready to go, already responding to some non-emergency calls today. Fortunately, non-emergency, but they were able to get there in their trucks and give help. We were able to talk to a family who was just out on foot, being as safe as possible, but they wanted to make the most of this snow day and enjoy the snow. Listen to what they said. Are you enjoying the snow?
Yes.
Are you cold?
Yes.
Well, it's just a couple of flakes. We weren't too worried about it, and then
Gotta make the best of it.
we got to make the best of it, and we got a 3-year-old boy. It's your birthday next week, so we got to get out of the house.
Doing their best just to enjoy this snow in a safe way, of course. Now we know that the fire department has about 9 plows out just in Mount Lebanon. A lot of the communities, though, in this region in the South Hills, very hilly, like you said, a lot of tight roads and a lot of steep terrain. So that is what they're up against. We can see, actually, if you want to turn around really quickly, Louie, a fire truck leaving right now. So you can see, they do it rain or shine, snow or sunny weather. So they've got their chains and they're out there making it happen.